On the second floor, we've got the extra bedrooms behind me, but from this doorway back is the entire primary suite with a bedroom back there, an office right there, and then closet and bathroom right here in the middle. Gary, nice to meet you.
Hey Kevin, nice to meet you.
So you got a lot of the tile down already. Love the floor tile. What is that pattern?
So this is a two-piece star and cross pattern, interlocking pattern.
Okay.
We went 0 entry going into the shower, so meaning curbless. The glass door will go here and about 38 inches out right into this wall, all leading to the drain.
Right, so shower in this corner. Floor tile is porcelain, it looks like?
Porcelain, yeah.
Same as the wall tile?
Same as the wall tile.
Oh,
It's a 2-inch by 6-inch porcelain.
Oh yeah, okay. And so it's got a glazing on it, and you can see it's got that sort of rough texture, almost if it's handmade.
Exactly.
That's nice.
And we used a crosshatch pattern, which is 3 going vertically, 3 going horizontally.
Oh, nice.
Starting with a full tile at the floor, and I started with a half tile right in the corner.
Layout is everything for you guys, right? Because if you get it wrong, it doesn't look right, and you got a million cuts.
Exactly.
So you start in the corner, and you start on the floor, and you work your way up and in.
Up and in, yeah. Which leads us to our soap shell, our recessed niche.
Right, a niche that's not in yet, though. So this is what's going in?
Correct.
So these are great, right? Waterproof.
These are great.
All the way
They're
around.
already waterproof, pre-made.
But you didn't pre-cut the opening.
Not yet.
So explain that to me. Why not?
Well, we like to have a full tile top and bottom of the soap shelf, and left and right.
So even more accurate than laying it out beforehand is to start tiling,
Correct.
get it close, and then fine tune it to exactly where the niche goes?
Exactly. This way that ensures exactly where my full tiles are.
Wow, so you got to cut that out after.
Yep.
And you've scored it, so is that ready to come out?
Ready to go.
All right, I'm with you. I want to see this whole thing go down. Off it goes. Wait, now hang on a second here. So you are between 2 studs. You're in a bay.
Correct. We actually got really lucky on this one.
I figured you'd be right in the middle of a stud or something like that.
Normally we would be. This time we got lucky.
So had you ended up with a stud somewhere in here, would you still do this knowing that you had to cut through a 2x6 or a 2x4?
Oh, absolutely. We always try to get a full tile, top, bottom, left, right.
So whatever it takes to get this right, you'll do it there.
Correct.
Okay, well, we'll take the luck. So in goes the pre-made niche. Oh, I get it. I thought these were going to overhang these little ears, but they actually run flush.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's so. Can you prove to me that you nailed it with your layout here?
I sure can.
So there's our crosshatch coming right into where it has to. And then on the horizontal, which would go here, 1, 2, and there's going to be spacers.
Full
Look at
tile.
that, perfect. And that means that inside the niche, we'll have a full horizontal and then 3 verticals.
Correct. We'll fold that right in.
And I'm just presuming here that this ear is the size of a tile, so it starts there and continues?
Correct.
Wow, so you nailed it, okay. And in terms of fastening, how do you do that?
So I usually put 6 screws, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, which we're ready to do right now.
Okay.
If you want to just pass me those screws.
So here's your drill. These are the buttons that you would use normally to install the sheets
Correct.
on this wall anyway, right?
Yeah, 1.5 inch screws with washers.
So you're just pushing those in. There's that guy. You got one? All right, and then obviously you just got the screws there.
Well, now we have to put the fabric over the seams to ensure 100% waterproofing.
And so then it's just repeat the process around all 4 sides.
All 4 sides.
Wow, look at that. And so you'd never have any idea that this niche was put in after the fact.
Nope.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.